Teach you how to use this vernier caliper. There is parts of name. This is fixed jaw, movable jaw, nibs, and main scale, vernier scale, and fixed screw, adjusted screw, and depth. First, check this instrument is no zero error. This zero, main scale zero and vernier scale zero match. If never match, there's a zero error. So there's other video I made how to use vernier scale at zero error problem. There's a little change equation. First measure bottle size. This way, close it tightly, no ever, no gap left. This jar and bottle tight. There is 20. There's a 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. Is top of 25 them and shut down still. 25 to wave match. My this match is 6. 25.6. It is almost 25.6 millimeter. Now check inner dimensional. Open this nut is adjustment nut, so this nut is fit tightly, so never any vibration to inflect value. First check this is the input, I mean in inner dimensional. Open this, it is a fixed, and now it's 10, 11, count these lines, 10, 11, 12, 13, and now match down the side, 13 down scale line, 13 point 13 point 13.5. It is almost match 13.5. It's near 35.5. Now measure longest. Put open full depth into D. Give this way. Now measure this bottle size in half bottle. My bottle is bigger, so this is not full measure, it is half measure. There's 1 point, 140, 141, 141, 42, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, and 148, and match this line. 148 light 148.2. It is 148.2. This is so easy to count. Now count this cell phone length. This way, little bit up. I think this is enough. This way is 100 point, 100 and 100 point. I think 99.2. Not just see in light 22 point and 199.6. It is almost 99.6. And this video again with next video for next more projects, and this project will done. Any question and queries asked on to month, and I will early morning reply them. This video will be end.